Today, we're diving into the world of effective brand visibility. In a digital age like ours, it's not just about being online or offline, it's about finding that perfect harmony. Effective brand visibility means your customers get the same fantastic experience, whether scrolling through your X feed or entering your store. Let's talk about consistency and brand messaging. First up, clarity. Your brand's message should be as clear as day across all platforms. For example, affordable handcrafted jewelry. Think of it as a universal language. No matter where your customers find you, they instantly understand what you're all about. Next, consistency. Your brand's core message should be as steady as a lighthouse. For example, eco-friendly beauty products. It's not just about what you say, it's about what you deliver. Your values and promises remain rock solid online and offline. And, of course, cohesion. All your brand elements should dance to the same tune. For example, show coordinated visuals of a brand's online and offline promotions. From your website to your in-store posters, they should all work together in perfect harmony, creating a unified message. Now, let's talk about the magic of cross-promotion. Synergy, it's like a powerful collaboration between your online and offline worlds. Hosting an exciting in-store event. Share it online, and watch the excitement grow both ways. Amplification, that's the secret sauce. Use your online presence to amplify your offline promotions and vice versa. It's like turning up the volume on your brand. Lastly, alignment. Every promotion should move to the same rhythm. Whether it's an online sale or an in-store product launch, it should all support your brand's grand vision. So, solopreneurs, remember this dance, blend your online and offline strategies for a seamless brand experience. Harmony and brand visibility. That's the melody of success. Follow for more.